Walmart gift cards are a convenient way to shop at Walmart stores or online. Here is a simple guide on how to use them effectively. Step 1. Check the balance. Before using your gift card, check the balance to know how much you can spend. You can do this by visiting the Walmart website or calling their customer service. Step 2. In-store purchases. To use your gift card in a Walmart store, simply present it at the checkout. The cashier will scan the card, and the amount will be deducted from your total purchase. Step 3. Online purchases. When shopping online at Walmart, add items to your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter the gift card number and PIN in the designated fields to apply the balance to your order. Step 4. Combine with other payment methods. If your purchase exceeds the gift card balance, you can combine it with another payment method. Just inform the cashier or enter the additional payment details online. Step 5. Keep the card for future use. If there is still a balance left on your gift card after a purchase, keep it for future use. You can check the remaining balance anytime and use it until it is fully spent. Using Walmart gift cards is straightforward and can enhance your shopping experience. Enjoy your shopping.